Well, it's about 1:20 in the afternoon, 5th of May, 2011, and this just seemed to be a good opportunity to take the little kittens. The white one's a female, the shaggy one's a female, and this is a little male. Anyway, I don't see how they avoid losing an eye as much as they grab and bite each other. Whoa! Come here, little gal. You don't want to go down there. Oops. They are 1 month and 2 days old. Born on the 5th of April, 2011. Listen to this one, how it chortles. And this one just wants to bite. Just wants to bite. And he's purring. Purr, purr, purr. Whoop, there you go. You can't go that way. Come here. Ah, boy, I hooked the claws into you. Oh, come on, let go. There we go. This little male that's laying upside down here just loves to lay upside down and play. He's just such a sweet little thing. Come on, sweetie. I'm being crawled up on. I don't know if this is going to take or not. Beautiful. You're on camera. Look at the size of this belly right here. So they're obviously getting enough to eat. They are eating and drinking well, and they're using the litter box. They were everywhere. I got these pulled them out of the brush pile 2 days ago. Look at the little male. He is such a mess. He's always biting somebody. No names yet. I don't know if a name. We don't really plan on keeping any of them. If this one lives, won't stand still. Well, you don't know what you want. Well, you want mama, but that ain't gonna happen. The little male here is purring. The little female is purring too. And chortling. I don't know what else to call it. It's like she's gurgling. I took him to the vet this morning just so they could take a look at him because I had to take Muffin in to get her a shot. And the vet looked at him real quick, said didn't think there was anything wrong with her breathing, just the sound she makes. The little white one I'm talking about. Look at that face. What's not to love, huh? Okay, enough for now.